Hi guys, welcome back to Basic Bit. Today is December 16th and the problem we're working on is called Validate Binary Search Tree. So a binary tree is a valid binary search tree if every single node in the left subtree of a particular node has a value less than it and all the values in its right subtree have values greater than it. This first example is a valid binary search tree. The second example, however, at the root 5, the left subtree contains a single node 1. That's valid. However, the right subtree contains a node 4, which is less than 5. So this is not a valid binary search tree. So I'm going to write a helper function that takes a node and also takes in the minimum value and the maximum value, which specifies the valid range for that particular node. And we're going to call helper on the root. And so the root node can be any value. So the min val can be a very small value, so negative sys max size, and the max val can be a very large value. If not node, we're going to return true. Otherwise, there is a node. I'm going to check that node value. So if the value of the node is less than or equal to the min val, or the node val is greater than or equal to the max val, then the value at the node is invalid, so we would return false. If we don't return false at that point, then we're going to call the helper function on the left subtree, so helper node.left. The min val of the left subtree would stay the same. However, the max val now has to be adjusted because the left subtree of the current node cannot have a value greater than the current node's value. So it will have to be less than the smaller of the current max val and the current node's val. And I'm going to save that into left. And similarly, I'm going to call the helper function on the right subtree. However, in this case, so instead of the max val getting adjusted, it's the min val, because now the right subtree has to have a value greater than the current node's value. So it has to be the max of the current min value compared to the current node's value. Okay. And finally, so left, the variables left and right are going to contain whether or not the left and right subtrees are also valid binary search trees. So finally we return left and right. Okay, and we return helper, run our code. Looks good, submit, and it was accepted.